Hey everyone, welcome back. If your phone is charging way too slowly, these four things will make noticeable difference starting right now. No apps needed, no special tools. First, as soon as you plug your phone in, turn airplane mode on. Your phone uses a huge amount of power constantly searching for a signal, and turning it off makes charging noticeably faster. Then, after that, you will have to make sure you're using the original charger and cable that came with your phone. Cheap third-party cables can charge up to 50% slower. That's a huge difference. Always plug into a wall outlet, no, not into your laptop or a power bank. Wall outlets give your phone the full power it needs. And while it's charging, put your phone screen face down and do not touch it. The screen is the biggest battery drain on your phone. Do all these four together and you'll see battery percentage go up much faster. So all you've got to do is turn airplane mode on, use original charger, charge it on wall outlet, screen off. Four simple things that charge your phone way faster every time. Subscribe for more tips like